How to create an account on Indeed. So if you want to create an account with Indeed, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for Indeed. And once you've searched, here on the first search, you will have www.indeed.com. Click on the first search. And now you can go for sign in, which is on the upper right. Click on this sign in. And now you can continue with your Google or you can continue with your Apple. But if you don't have an account, then simply enter your email address. And once you enter your email address, you can click on continue so that it will automatically say you to create your account. Because if you don't have an account with this email address, then it will automatically take you to create your account page. So from this, you can create your account. So you can continue with your email address, or you can simply click on continue with Google. So if you don't want to enter your password and do all of that, then you can simply click on continue with Google. Or if you want to sign up with a password, then you can go for sign up with a password. So I'll be choosing continue with Google and choose your Google account. Click on continue. And now you need to choose an option to create your account. So if you're a job seeker, then click on that. Or if you are an employee, then you can click on that. And that's it. Click on get started. And you can enter your city or your state and your postal code, or you can skip this part by simply clicking on skip. And here you need to enter your minimum base pay and then your pay period. You can simply click on the drop down bar and then you can choose your pay period. And if you don't want to enter that, you can skip this part also, which is on the upper right. And here you need to enter your desired job title. That's it. That's how you create your Indeed account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.